everyone, welcome back. We're diving deep into TSAI today. You know, the platform that's making waves for supposedly merging AI crypto trading with network marketing.
Interesting combo.
Right. We've got a whole pile of sources here. Internal docs, promotional stuff, even snippets from a live Zoom call with some pretty pumped up TSAI users.
Sounds lively.
Oh, it is. So today's mission, cut through the hype, see how TSAI actually ticks, you know, what the earnings potential really looks like, and most importantly,
The big question.
what you should think about before jumping in. And let me tell you, there are some bold claims flying around.
Like what?
One user on this Zoom call, they're saying they're making over $40 a day passively.
Just like that.
Just letting those TSAI AI robots do their thing.
Okay, that's definitely an attention-grabbing headline. But before we get swept up, let's break down what TSAI, even TSAI say at its core.
Absolutely. So from what we've gathered, it's kind of a hybrid model, functions as a centralized crypto exchange, which means it's like the middleman for buying and selling crypto. But here's the twist. It also offers a platform for AI-powered trading bots.
So they're right in the middle of two huge trends: AI-powered trading, A&D network marketing.
Smart move, for sure. And it's not like they're brand new either, founded back in 2021.
Oh, fairly recent.
Yeah, by a former Airbnb engineer, Thomas Yanez. But even in that short time, they're claiming some big wins.
Such as?
Global user base, team with experience from places like Google, Binance.
Yay.
They even cracked the top 100 global exchanges by late 2021.
They're on a roll.
They are, even gearing up to go public, really pushing that image of fast growth and being cutting edge.
Which, let's be honest, is pretty attractive to investors.
Totally creates that get in early feeling. But as with anything, got to look past the hype and check the details.
Right, always.
Speaking of hype, TSAI is really pushing these AI-driven trading robots, saying they can do it all. Analyze market data, find good opportunities, execute trades, even manage risk, all automatically.
So it's not just simple buy low, sell high stuff.
Nope. The documents we have, they're highlighting some really sophisticated strategies.
Like what? Give me the rundown.
We're talking quantitative trading, you know, complex algorithms digging out those hidden opportunities. Then there's high-frequency trading, taking advantage of those tiny price changes super fast. And get this, they even say they're using natural language processing.
Wait, like the tech behind ChatGPT? For crypto?
The very same.
How does that even work?
Imagine the AI going through news, social media posts, even forums online to figure out the overall sentiment around a certain cryptocurrency.
It's got a finger on the pulse of the market's feelings.
Exactly. So like if everyone's freaking out on Twitter about a coin, the AI could sense that and maybe avoid it.
That's a simplified view, but yeah, you got it.
Yeah.
By adding in that sentiment analysis, TSAI is trying to give its AI like human-level understanding.
Wow.
And that all feeds into their big promise of hands-free income. Huge draw for people who don't have crypto expertise or the time to actively trade.
Definitely tempting. But hold on, before we get too excited about the potential rewards.
Yeah, let's flip the script.
Let's unpack the different ways TSAI says you can actually make money. Spoiler alert. It's not just about the AI trading.
Okay, so this is where that network marketing piece comes in.
Exactly.
To really grasp TSAI, got to look at the whole picture, including this MLM side.
Right. So besides potential profits from those AI robots, TSAI offers daily interest on funds you hold in this thing they call a profit box.
A profit box.
Profit box. Plus daily sign-in bonuses. Small, but hey, it's something.
Sure.
And then the big one, commissions from AI bot purchases within your network.
Okay, so multiple ways to potentially earn. But we have to analyze, are these claims sustainable long-term?
Right, and to be fair, even on the Zoom call, one user brought up concerns about sustainability.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and the fact that TSAI doesn't seem to have a public FAI number.
Now that's a red flag.
Yeah.
You see, a FAI, that's a Federal Employer Identification Number. It's crucial for transparency, accountability. Businesses use it for taxes, banking, you name it.
Okay.
If that FEI's not readily available, it raises questions. Legitimacy, financial practices, the whole 9 yards.
So not automatically a scam, but...
But it's something potential investors should definitely dig into. A missing piece of the puzzle.
Now, about that network effect, TSAI is clearly pushing users to build teams.
Classic network marketing, right?
Right. You get commissions on your team's bot purchases, and you can climb these S levels to unlock better bonuses, lower fees.
So leverage those connections to fuel growth. both for the platform and your own income.
And some users on that Zoom call, they say it's working. One person even said they went from making $100 a day to over $400
Just like that.
just by growing their network and hitting a higher S level.
Sounds amazing, but is it realistic? Is that typical or a one-off? Something to really consider.
Definitely. Okay, let's peek into that Zoom call for a sec. It was quite the scene. Super enthusiastic users sharing testimonials, explaining how it all works. Even someone comparing TSAI's profit box interest to their, like, dismal bank account earnings.
That's a relatable comparison for sure.
Get this, one user said they're paying their bills with money withdrawn from TSAI.
While these stories are compelling, gotta remember, they're not necessarily representative of the average experience.
Right. Individual results, they can vary wildly. So let's bring it back to the big question. Risk versus reward. TSAI is painting a pretty picture. Guaranteed daily returns, easy to use, potential for serious passive income.
But we gotta balance that with what's in their legal docs. They've got disclaimers saying they're not responsible for any losses and that they do not give financial advice.
Well, that's standard for any investment platform, isn't it?
True, but it's crucial for you to remember. Weigh those potential rewards against a realistic view of the risks before investing in any crypto platform, especially one with this network marketing element.
Don't let excitement overshadow careful research. Solid advice. Now let's zoom out for a touch on some broader trends mentioned in these sources. Stuff like blockchain oracles, the decentralized internet, crypto becoming a more legitimate asset.
The big picture stuff.
Right, and it makes you wonder, is TSAI a sneak peek into a future where AI trading is just commonplace, accessible even to non-experts?
Now, that's a thought-provoking question.
Yeah.
And it's a discussion we'll definitely continue in part 2 of this deep dive. Stay tuned.
Absolutely.